Hello students, today in online class of 8th mathematics, we will continue with the same chapter linear equations in one variable. Students, today we will solve different types of equations and also verify the result. Students, first we will solve the one equation, that is solve the equation n by 2 minus 3n upon 4 plus 5n upon 6 is equal to 21 and check the result. That means whatever we will find the value of n, we will check the result also. So look at the solution. So the given equation is n by 2 minus 3n upon 4 plus 5n upon 6 is equal to 21. So first of all we will solve this linear equation in one variable. So first of all we will take the LCM 2 of 2, 4 and 6, that is equal to 12. 2 6 are 4 3s are 12 and 3 3s are 9n plus 6 2s are 12 and 5 2s are 10n, that is equal to 21. Now we add these two, 6x plus 10x, that is equal to 16n minus 9n, and we will cross multiply it. 21 into 12, 16n minus 9n, that is equal to 7n, equal to 21 into 12, and the value of n is 21 into 12 upon 7. 7 3s are, so this implies the value of n is equal to 36. So the value of this equation n is 36. Now we will verify the result. So left hand side we are taking n by 2 minus 3n upon 4 plus 5n upon 6. Now we will put the value of n, that is 36 here. So 36 upon 2 minus 3 into 36 upon 4 plus 5 into 36 upon 6. So we divide 36 by 2, that is equal to 18 minus 4 9s are 36 and 9 3s are 27, 6 6 are 36 and 6 5s are 30. Now we add these two, 30 plus 18, 48 minus 27, that is equal to 21 is equal to right hand side. So when we put the value of n, 36, in the left hand side, we get the result 21, that is equal to right hand side. So this verify the result. Now students, we will take one more question. Solve the given equation and verify the result. The equation is 7y plus 4 upon y plus 2 is equal to minus 4 upon 3. This time we have taken the different type of linear equation in one variable. So look at the solution of this equation. So the given equation is 7y plus 4 upon y plus 2 is equal to minus 4 upon 3. So first we will cross multiply it. So 3 into 7y plus 4 is equal to minus 4 into y plus 2. Now 3 7s are 21 and 3 4s are 12. Minus 4 into y, that is equal to minus 4y, and minus 4 into 2, that is equal to minus 8. Now we transpose minus 4y from right to left, that is 21y plus 4y, and we are transposing from 12 from left to right, that is equal to minus 8, and 12 is plus. When we transpose, it will become minus. So 21 plus 4, that is 25y, and both have the same sign. So we will add these two, that is equal to minus 20, and y is equal to minus 20 upon 25, that is equal to minus 4 upon 5. Now student, we will verify the result. So verification, we will take the left hand side, that is equal to 7y plus 4 upon y plus 2. Now we will put the value of y, that is minus 4 upon 5, and in denominator also we will put the value, that is minus 4 upon 5 plus 2. Now 7 4s are 28 upon 5 plus 4 upon minus 4 upon 5 plus 2. Now we will take the LCM here first. The LCM is 5. So minus 28, 4 5s are 20 upon, again in denominator we have the same LCM, minus 4 plus 10. So it will become minus 8 upon 5 and 10 minus 4, that is 6 upon 5. So minus 8 upon 5 into 5 upon 6, that is equal to minus 8 upon 6, and 2 4s are 8, that is minus 4, and 2 3s are 6. So that is equal to right hand side, and the value of right hand side also in the question is minus 4 upon 3. So this verify the result. Now student, question number 3. Solve 3 into t minus 3 is equal to 5 into 2t plus 1 and verify the result. So the solution is, given equation is 3t minus 3 is equal to 5 2t plus 1. So the given equation is this one. So first we multiplied 3t, and 3 3s are 9, 5 2s are 10t, and 5 into 1, that is equal to 5. So now we will transpose 10t from right to left. So 3t minus 10t, and we are transposing minus 9 from left to right, that is equal to, so minus 9 will become plus 9. So 10 minus 3, that is equal to 70 with negative sign, and 9 plus 5, that is equal to 14. So the value of t is 14 upon minus 7, that is equal to minus 2. Now student, we will verify the result. So first we will take the left hand side, that is 3t minus 3, that is equal to minus 3 minus 2 and minus 3. So minus 3 plus minus 2, that is equal to minus 5, and that is 3 5s are 15 of negative. So the right hand side, 5 2t plus 1. Now we will put the value of t, that is equal to minus t, 2. So 2 into minus 2 plus 1, 5, 2 2s are 4, that is of negative sign, plus 1, and 5 into minus 4 plus 1 is equal to minus 3, that is equal to minus 15. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS is equal to minus 15. So this verify the result that the value of t is minus 2. Now student, I will take one word problem. The ages of Ram and Dinesh are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. So we have to find the present ages of Ram and Dinesh. So look at the solution. Let present age of Ram be, because the ratio is given, so we will take one variable with the ratio, that is equal to 5x years, and present age of Dinesh v, because the ratio is 7, that is 7x years. Now 4 years from now, after 4 years, the age of Ram, that is equal to 5x plus 4 years, and after 4 years, the age of Dinesh, that is equal to 7x plus 4 years. Now student, according to the question, 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. So ratio of their ages, that is 5x upon 4, 5x plus 4 upon 7x plus 4, that is equal to 3:4. Now we will cross multiply it. 4 into 5x plus 4 is equal to 3 into 7x plus 4. 4 5s are 20x, 4 4s are 16, 3 7s are 21x, and 3 4s are 12. Now we transpose 20x from left to right, so that will end 12 from right to left. So 16 minus 12 is equal to 21x minus 20x. 16 minus 12 is 4 is equal to x. So the value of x is 4. Now we have to find the present ages of Ram as well as Dinesh. So therefore present age of Ram is, that is equal to 5x. 5 into 4 is equal to 20 years. And present age of Dinesh, that is equal to 7x. 7 into 4 is equal to 28 years. So the present age of Ram is 20 years and present age of Dinesh is 28 years.
Start.
Students, I hope you all understood the chapter very well. Revise the same in your home. Thank you and take care.